Today it's Bonfire night. So, what?
Come down, I want you over here, so I'm going to do them here.
So, gonna go here, although it's quite drizzly and my phone might get wet.
Okay, keep it inside.
So, just got
And then all these have got to walk.
the all-in-one on. So they're going to do the fireworks there. Farted. And the use of farts.
Kids,
Got me ear defenders because the fireworks are a bit crash
come
bang.
stand here.
So what happens is he plants them in the set off.
Yeah, but I'm going to do it here.
We're going to do it here.
You got 2 lighters or should I go get one off the box? I've got my thingy flame, so we'll... Yeah, but like, if we're going to set one off at the same time.
It's got very close. They've got TV on the background.
Right, so I'll just light it.
It's paused. Now we're going to set the fireworks off. You ready? Go firework. Go. Go on firework. The firework ain't doing it. How does the fireworks set off? The firework is actually going to set off, I think. I don't know if it is. Just stood there doing nothing. They've just gone to get something. I don't know what they've gone to get. Stay more.
I'm not going on that grass, Sam, I've already stood in.
Have you?
Yeah.
I think he's
Right, I'll
going
put
to
the
put
rocket
it in
thing there.
here.
Why, they're only small, don't be scared.
Are you sure?
Right, girls, you'll let this go a bit back. The fuse is out. Oh, rocket, yeah.
Got to stand back a little bit in case it shoots off a bit too hard.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
You can hear all of the fireworks in the background.
Yeah, shall I do them both?
Ready?
Caleb, come back. I don't trust that one. Is that it? Some light. I'll have to nip them. I thought there were only 2 shots then. No, that's not them ones.
I gotta tell you something. Because it's cloudy, the fire you can't.
Because it's right cloudy, you can't see all
come back a bit.
fireworks.
Has she got another light then? She might have. Oh, I've got it in
There, now you've got an actual one. You've got to get all the
For these
smoke
ones that
away
go in there,
first.
they're not close, are we? But when they start crackling and popping on the floor. Here, Sam.
Quite scary when they crackle and pop on the floor. So, it's time to set the fireworks off. When the orange bit on the firework lights means it'll take off.
Can I come back? Go back a bit, Miley. Go back. No.
They keep disappearing. Oh, you can see it. Popping.
Caleb, look. Not so
All
close.
the sparks landed on the floor. It's going to set off.
Sam. Oh, yeah, so should we do a big go? One. See what the light do more?
Got all the steamy and puffy.
Kale's not too close. Kale's not too close. Alright.
Look here. All the puffy smoke. Leave the smoke back.
I think you get some alone time though, don't you?
Yeah, yeah. That's the other one.
Go over together. They've come to see too, so So Linda, Nana,
Corby.
Olivia and Phoebe's mum, Lydia, Sienna, Lila, Corby, me, Phoebe, Lucinda, Olivia,
Yeah, massive.
Daddy,
Right, where are we,
Demo,
where am I putting these on?
Kevin, Corby.
I don't know, I'll just give you one for now.
All right. Something like it. Yeah. Right, you ready?
Ready, this is a big one. Well, right,
Gonna
Caleb,
shoot
stand
off
about.
a bit.
Caleb, come out of where?
I'll tell you what, you might then.
Got all these
Where,
people.
what do you do with this though?
Yeah, that would have decent.
Yeah, then no.
Now,
Oh, did you get it out?
one more firework.
Do
And
I
I'm
need
going
to
to
get
have
this
to
out?
put this video on YouTube. It's very cool. Might put another one on.
Right, Caleb, go stand with them now because I don't think this one goes up. I think it's the fountain.
Feel a bit scared.
It's just a fountain, it might crackle and pop.
Caleb, a bit further back, lad.
Does your mum know you're in here?
Going to see the floor fireworks now.
Yeah, we're a bit close.
I know.
What about if it starts pop, 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 pop.
Caleb, I'm loving it.
You got to be careful because sometimes they finish and then go.
Yeah. Right, but for now.